clinic was phenomenal. I feel like it was a really good mock trial or experience of what it would be like to be with other girls on the stage. She's been doing this for so long, so it just made me feel more confident that she would know what looks best for me.
I drove up from south of Houston, from Alvin, Texas, and I won the hotel giveaway. Everybody was really down to earth, and I had a great time, and I learned a lot, especially like exiting and entering the stage.
Coming to the clinic, I was able to build on my confidence and help my routine flow. Tawna is awesome. She's super bubbly and super encouraging.
She told me about this posing clinic. It's going to be a little out of my comfort zone, but I'm going to go for it. Everybody was accepting, and I would definitely love to come to another one.
I'm a long-time one-on-one client of Tawna's. 29 weeks pregnant, so obviously I can't compete right now. But I wanted to come in here and polish up my posing. I lack a little confidence on stage and I get really nervous. I came to Tawna because I really like the way she poses. She's super sassy, and I had none of that when I first went to her class. I love working with her because she's always positive, tells you what you need to work on. She's very straightforward. Thank you, Tawna, for putting this posing clinic together for us.
And I'm really glad that I was able to be a part of this today.
All in all, just a phenomenal experience. Tawna's the best, and I'm really happy I was able to make it.